Right, today we're going to look at how to use Google Building Maker. Google Building Maker bridges the gap between Google SketchUp and Google Earth. Now this piece of software allows you to build a building and get it instantly textured and then put into Google Earth quite quickly. The first thing you need to do, of course, is go to the website, and this is the easiest way to Google Building Maker. But the website address is at the top there, sketchup.google.com/3dwarehouse/building maker. And when you get to this website, this window comes up, in fact without this box in the middle, and you have to choose a location somewhere in the world. It's easiest to have one randomly chosen for you. So I've just done that, and these will come up, and I'm going to choose this picture here on image 4, and then it's going to load the pictures of the area. Excellent, it's done the pictures of the area. And so now what I can do is I can zoom in, and I can choose one of these houses to build in Google SketchUp. I think I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, it looks fairly straightforward to do. No, in fact, I'm going to choose this one over here because it's square, which I like even better. The more complicated the shape, the harder it is to do. This one's quite a good one. I'm going to drag on a box. I can do boxes, roofs, and then more complicated objects. But you simply drag an object on, and then you get it to match the photo. I'm dragging. I've actually accidentally dragged the wrong point because that point needs to go underneath this one because I'm looking at it from a slight top view. I'm just going to go this one. You just need to get it roughly right, because in the next picture we'll get, you can see where it is, we'll get another view, and then we can adjust where this is. So you have to keep doing this for each picture. It's a little bit better on this one because of course we've got a slightly better angle. And this is updated on every page, on every picture. These points. Doesn't have to be perfect, but there you go. Then I'm going to choose the third picture. Now unfortunately on this picture, it's not on this one, so I'm just going to move to the next one. It does happen. It's happened twice now. Really, I've done this example loads of times and this has not happened before. There's the fifth picture. Here we go, yeah, that's good. So I'm just going to go back to the first one. It's doing the green side bit. So it's this building here I'm looking at, just to get the idea right. So I'll move the picture, I'll move the box, move it down a bit, and now I've got a bit of depth in this box. Move that up. We're getting there now. This is number 6. 6 again, it's not on there. And so this is an issue which you just got to work around. I'm going to go back to this one. Just trying to adjust this slightly more. The more you adjust it on each picture, the more accurate this becomes. Because now I've been filling on other ones, now I can adjust it on each individual picture. I'm going to load 2 more images. And there's number 7, and again 7 is not, it's not on 7, is it on 8? On 8, next 2 images. I do need a few more points. Unfortunate, I've just picked a picture which bizarrely isn't quite on the system. But anyway, I've done it in a couple of views. Now it should be possible to at least view the building. If I get viewer, it puts me into Google Earth and will take me straight to the building. Here is where I'm looking at. Now I can move in to this building quite quickly. Now, one thing I'm going to do is if I click hide buildings, it will hide all buildings except for my ones, because sometimes there will be a building, your building's already been done. If you want to look at your one, you'll need to turn it off. You can see very basically, the pictures aren't very good, but you can see that the textures have been applied. The more views you've got of the building, the more time you spend adjusting it, you can actually make it the best looking building. If you have signed in with a generic account, you can save it and then upload it to Google Earth, and if they're approved, they like the look of it, it will be actually go into the official Google Earth database, which then, so anywhere on any computer, you can find your own building which you've made.